Pelican Storm iM2950 case review. Bulletproof gearbox, or just expensive luggage? You ever feel like your gear's out to get you? One drop, one splash, one unexpected bounce in the back of your truck, and boom! Thousands of dollars in delicate equipment ruined. Cameras shattered. Tools toast. Audio gear fried. We've all been there, screaming internally as your rugged case folds like a soggy taco. Whether you're in the wild, on the road, or in the studio, the wrong case will betray you every time. And that creeping fear? It's not paranoia, it's experience. That sinking "please don't be broken" moment is the universal anthem of underprotected pros. But here's where it gets darker. You've got deadlines. Clients waiting. Maybe you're halfway up a mountain or deep in the Gobi Desert. Yes, someone actually tested this case there. Your backup plan? There isn't one. Because your last tough case cracked under pressure, literally. This is where stress turns into crisis. Lost files. Water damage. Equipment bouncing like popcorn inside a cheap shell. Your productivity, your wallet, your sanity, gone. When your tools die, so does your edge. And that's the moment you realize. It's not just a case. It's mission-critical armor. That's why the Pelican Storm iM2950 case doesn't just protect, it dominates. This isn't your basic, big-box store clamshell. This is the survivalist tank of gear transport. We're talking HPX Polymer that laughs at ice, impacts, and explosions. A press-and-pull latch system so secure, it practically locks itself, but opens like magic when you need it. Crushproof. Waterproof. Submersible. Explosion-proof. Don't believe it? Google Pelican case survives plane crash. This thing's been run over by trucks, drowned at sea, and still showed up like, is that all you got? Whether you're a filmmaker, photographer, field medic, drone pilot, or someone who just loves overkill-level protection, this is the case. Customizable foam interior? Check. Rugged wheels? Oh yeah. Over-molded handles that won't slice your fingers off? You bet. There's a reason military units, first responders, and hardcore adventurers swear by Pelican. And if they trust it with life-saving gear, you can trust it with your laptop or Red camera. Setup is stupid easy, storage is cavernous, and the vibe is pure elite operator. Yeah, it's a flex. A loud, rolling flex. Don't wait until your gear's in pieces. Get the case that's tougher than your problems. Limited availability, because yes, people actually hoard these. Lifetime guarantee. Made in the USA. Used by the best. Respected by the wild. Whether you're flying commercial, crashing through forests, or filming on a frozen tundra, the Pelican iM2950 Storm case is your last line of defense. So protect what matters. Click, watch, buy. Or keep living dangerously, it's your gear's funeral.